United Dukaat. Dam is a well-producing 140 level mare. The Olympic stallion Emerald van Ruytershof produced top-level horses like Igor, Nika van de Bisschop and Mandato van de Neerheide. We find the valuable Emerald here combined with an 140 level competing mare. Dam Dukaat has already produced an offspring performing at this level as well, and she is noted as the Grand Dam of the 145 level horse Jerome. Grand Dam Dukaat has foaled 2 140 level horses and is Grand Dam to no less than 4 145 level competitors. Besides, this mare is a half-sister of the international 150 level show jumper Cobalt, ridden by Nicolas Bidon Dorella.